Are you looking to make a great career for your future? Welcome to our online Master of Science in Electrical Engineering at Wayne State University, specializing in semiconductor engineering. In our program, we will enhance your skills, gain hands-on expertise, and unlock countless opportunities for growth and success.
Wayne State University Electrical Engineering online master's degree on semiconductor engineering is a new program. It's actually first one in the state of Michigan and a second one across US.
As a major department in the College of Engineering at Wayne State University, the department decided to start a strategic initiative by introducing a fully online master degree program in semiconductor technology. Our goals basically to do this is threefold. The first one is that there is a significant shortage of engineers and workforce in semiconductor field. And the second and very important part is the fact that the US government is conducting a very big effort to bring back manufacturing and chip design activity back to the US. And the third very important aspect is that there is a lot of advances in the field of engineering, such as artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and many other new emerging fields that require significant use of semiconductor technology.
Semiconductors basically do all sorts of electronic functions, from computing to sensing to memory, and they are powering a lot of the things that we hear about nowadays, like autonomous vehicles, artificial intelligence, and high-performance computing, and even things like consumer electronics.
The online master's program in semiconductor engineering provides students with essential skill sets in designing chips. Students will learn the fundamentals of analog and digital integrated circuits through various classes in analog, mixed signal, and VLSI. The students will also learn how to design chips, perform advanced simulations, and learn chip layouts through advanced CAD tools. These CAD tools are provided by leading ADA companies such as Synopsys and can be accessible by students through their laptops. And this is a convenient and flexible learning experience for students.
One essential part of semiconductors is printed circuit board design, and that's the segment of this training program that I am working on.
We also offer classes on solid-state electronics, nanoelectronics, and semiconductor manufacturing techniques that are really critical for the chip manufacturing of the new technologies. Wayne State University Electrical and Computer Engineering Department has world-renowned faculty who is working on semiconductor engineering. We are leading a number of workforce training programs that are funded by National Science Foundation and State of Michigan. We have strong partnerships with Michigan Economic Development Corporation.
One of the unique things that Wayne State is doing in these programs is to take and evolve the traditional university training and aligning it more closely with the specific needs of the industry right now. Teaching foundational concepts, but also bringing students closer to some of the specific industry skills that they need to succeed in the semiconductor industry and in the printed circuit board or electronics industry.
This program can be completed from anywhere in the world, since we offer all the classes and the labs in the virtual format, and it can be completed in a period as short as a year. You only need to complete 30 credits to graduate from this program, and you can also take up to 6 credits in the internship credits. So if you already have a job, if you're already in the workforce, and if you are looking to expand or transition to a semiconductor-focused field, this program would be a great opportunity. We welcome students from across different engineering and STEM fields, so they can have degrees in computer science, electrical engineering, material science, chemical engineering, or physics, and even biomedical engineering. As long as they are interested in this area and they are looking to gain new skills on the semiconductor engineering field.
The program will fully prepare students to succeed in their chip design career.
If you have any questions, you can reach out to us for any questions you may have.
Reach out to us to learn more. Apply today.